Boom. So now we're gonna go to our, what do you call it? FOREX. Euro, USD. Show me what you got. We do have setups over here. So let's see what we have. We have our channel. What is this? 5-hour channel. Okay. Am I trying to short this or what? I'm trying to short this or what? Fair value gap. 4 hours. Up, 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 up. Down, 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 down. Up, up, up. Change of character. Break of structure. Break of structure. Change of character again. If we go down to the lower time frame, you're gonna see probably change of character. Break of structure. Break of structure. We want to see change of character at this level. So let's see what we have over here. Let's see why I want to short this yoke. Because, so it came down over here. Why do I want to short this? Because it came down over here. What is this? Fair value gap. What is this? 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour fair value gap. Wow. Let's go. Let's go to 30 minutes. See what we have above. So we came down. Higher lows were broken. Change of character on the way down. Break of structure, and this is our last break of structure. So this is our lower low. So this is our lower low. This is gonna be our local resistance. I believe so. Fair value gap over here. Okay. This one will probably mean something. So this is our lower low. This is our lower low. Lower low, lower high, lower low. Not creating our lower highs anymore. Sorry about this. Post-workout meal. Today was Sunday. Push day. It was fucking nice. It was fucking good. Okay. So, I'm just kind of broke. Let me add these yolks over here. So this is going to be our small close local range. Sorry, lower high, lower low, lower high. Boom. Now, this is probably a 5-minute thing. This fair value gap is it? Or is it 1 minute? 5 minute? 15 minute. It's a 15-minute fair value gap. I came down, respect it. Let's go to 5 minutes. So now our local ones kind of be respected over here, not really. So this is going to be our bullish fair value gap. Let's see if it's going to be respected or not. That's why I want to short this. Because it came down. it formed a resistance. It formed a local resistance. 1, 2. It came lower. Change of character as well in this area. Boom. We have our change of character. Yes, sir. And now, let's leave it. Let's leave it for Monday. Yeah, that's a good. Actually, my stop loss should be a little bit higher. How many pips is this? 15 pips. 15 pips is very good. Wow. 30 should be max, right? Something like this. I think, well, this could be another level that it can be tested for a fair value gap. But we have 2 of them. This is a 30-minute. This is 15. Wow, okay, there's 2. This could be a liquidity grab here, right? This could be another scenario. Grab your liquidity, hit that fair value gap. Yes. Or just boom, this way. Why this way? Okay, let's not spend too much time on this. Okay, because when we zoom out, okay, makes sense. Local, this is our lower high. Lower low, sorry. So let's see how that works. This is one scenario. One to 6, 1 to 6, 1 to 7. Okay, this is a Euro USD. Let's go to the next one. GB USD as well. GBP. This one is marked as well because I was working on it yesterday. I have another video. I really want to come down to simplicity, right? So I really want to mark out the levels of supply, demand. See, I want to see the trend go down to either or. I want to see the uptrend go into the supply zone. I want to see a change of character, break of structure, and enter on the fair value gap, right? Simplicity. I kind of even want to go even simpler and find key levels, and off a key level, just enter. But that's when you actually have money to lose. Anyways, so now I want to see a downtrend into a supply zone. And from a supply zone, I want to see change of character, break of structure, enter off a fair value gap. Retesting the fair value gap, respecting the fair value gap, and I kind of want to make sure everything is simple. So what do we have here? Downtrend. Okay, we have a downtrend. We have a downtrend. Yes, boom. Now, is this going to be our area of supply, aka area of consolidation? I like this. The lows are taken out. Yes, lows are taken out. Now we're going to come down over here, and then boom, we're going to come above and go here. So simplicity, right? Simplicity. So for our simplicity, right? So we have our ranges. Boom, boom, boom. Simplicity. Let's go to 15 minutes. Simplicity. I have it marked for a short. Wow. Okay. Simplicity. When we are above, we are above. When we are under over here, right? We're trying to break the middle range. It didn't work out. Now we're testing it. We're really testing it over here. So now we're gonna go to 5 minute. What's going on in the 5 minute? Come down and retest. Off of 1 minute. Off of 1 minute. No, 5 minute looks, it kind of look better. So here we are off a local up, all-time highs. Now our local resistance, let's call it like this, 5-minute fair value gap. 5-minute fair value gap. I see that I'm thinking that there's gonna be a retest. Yeah, inverted fair value gap, a retest, and another fair value gap that was actually well respected over here. So I wonder if this is going to be a retest. I think that's why I have this over here and this over here. So I wonder if it's going to be a retest and give me some money. So we're going to see based off reaction of this 5-minute if we can short, if we can make quick money. Okay, so that will be it. Anything above, I think this level, we're going to go high. Let's keep it nice and simple. 11 minutes, let's go. 11 minutes, let's go. Another one is USD, so hopefully I'll make sense over here. JP, USD, JPY. Here we go. Like I said, I was looking at it yesterday. I have a video made yesterday, but it just doesn't look, I don't like how it looks. I mean, just rambling about nonsense. Anyways, daily. Damn. Accumulation up, uptrend like a motherfucker. Accumulation. Wow. Since when? July. October. Up. Down. Further. This is going to be our resistance if we get past this one. These are highs. All-time highs. Okay, let's see. So this is daily. Let's go to 4 hour. See what we have over here. What do you have over here? What is this? Big circle. Nice. That's where the money is. Okay, so we have our steps. Boom. Level. So this was accumulation as well. Never touched this level. What was over here? Fair value gap. Yeah, no, this was our fair value gap. What else was over here? Our level as well. What is this level? Yearly open. So it's a yearly open. It tapped into the yearly open. Monday high. Boom. Is it going to be something like this? Come down to our Monday high. Retrace. Is it possible? Premium. Power of 3. Open. Loads of fair value gaps. This one, I like this fair value gap over here. Why? Because at the high of our previous tops, so it runs through it actually. So let's see where this is gonna end up at. Wow. Boom. Wow, look at this. Came down again. Okay, this is a good level right here, lads. So it's coming down again over here on the 5-minute. So it's coming down again on the 5-minute of this level. Let's see if we go, if this level will give me change of character. Once again, our change of character is going to be over here. This is going to be a change of character. Break of structure, change of character, change of character. So this is going to be a change of character here. If it happens, this level. If we go from here, if I see change of character, break of structure, confirmation after confirmation after confirmation. Yes, I do want to have simple trades. I want to enter very simply, but the money can disappear very, very, very fast as well. Right, so we definitely want to validate everything. We definitely want to validate everything. Protect our money. We want to protect our money and not rush. I need to do something else because the things that I'm doing are not working out. Power of 3. So yes, we have our entry over here. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens on this one. So what we got? Predictions. Let's delete this. High time frame. Let's go to NASDAQ and let's see what we have prep for Monday. This hasn't changed a lot. That's gonna stay on the uptrend. And now we're gonna try to look for our zones, supply and demand zones. D levels, 4-hour time frame. Probably gonna have something better. We have a touch here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 touches, 7 touches. So we're gonna mark this as a level. This is going to be a strong level, and this could be a resistance level. Higher level is going to be above us. This is 4-hour time frame, and let's see if we can predict what's going to happen on Monday. Strong push down. The level above that will be this level. Again, this is all speculations. Things change very quickly. The market doesn't care about our lines, zones. News can come out on Monday, World War III, and next thing you know, your your speculations don't mean anything. Sorry about that. My post-workout meal. Okay. 4-hour time frame. On a trend down. So we have a trend down. Yes. Trend down. Lower highs and low lows. I think this is going to be our next zone. Lower high, and I think this is going to be our zone. So keep it nice and clean. Now let's go to 15 minutes or 30 minutes and let's see what we have over here. So this was a downtrend, break of structure. Now we hit our, let's see what we have over here. We hit our lower low. We can say this is a change of character. If not, we can say this is a change of character. This is change of character, break of structure, higher high, higher low. So we have our 15-minute structure, higher high, higher low. Higher low, and this is our higher high. So now let's go to 5 minutes and let's see what the fair value gaps are telling us. Fair value gap over here is being respected. Okay. Above that we have another fair value gap. That's nothing, that's nothing, that's nothing. So now back to 15 minutes. Loads of fair value gaps that need to be hit. Okay, so we have a change of structure. Yeah, change of structure on 15 minutes. I think is considered valid. 1 minute, 5 minutes, I don't think so. 15 minutes, change of structure, break of structure. Right after that, our higher low. It's being respected by the fair value gap in between. So let's make a play here. Let me go back to 2 hours and see how this looks. So this is our level of resistance. This is our level of resistance. It has to break this level in order for us to go up. Yep. Based off what I'm seeing over here, break of structure, change of character, break of structure on a 5 minute. Go to 1 minute. Go to 1 minute. See what we have over here. This level needs to be broken. So what we have over here, our highs. So let's enter here, stop loss small underneath our previous higher low. Because once again, change of structure, change of character, break of structure, change of character. We have another change of character over here. Bullish. This is our high low. Okay, let's enter here. How many points is this for your stop loss? Okay. Here we go. So if you're gonna follow the what do you call it? The structure is there. Came down from, it's a downtrend. Our lower low was taken out. So this could be a reversal. Close above this resistance, we go higher, break this, and let's climb the ladder based off this. So 5 minute, 1 minute, we have a nice entry here based off what's going on. Yeah, very nice. Okay, let's see what's going on with gold. Okay, let's see what's going on with gold. Delete. Let's see what we can find here. Gold. Well, we have gold, yeah. So what's the start with gold? Fair value gap. Wow. One day. There we go. Let's start there. So that's our fair value gap slash support. Now, 4 hour double top. Bearish, yeah. Double top is bearish. If I'm not mistaken. Taking out. Well, this level is taken out. Okay, this level is taken out. Came back around into fair value gap. 4 hour fair value gap. 4 hour fair value gap. So the way this one is looking off of 1 day and a 4 hour time frame, we're gonna be aiming for the highs. Came back around, tested the fair value gap, respected the fair value gap, broke the level of resistance over here. Broke the level of resistance over here. Came back around into a 4 hour fair value gap. Let's see how the 15-minute looks. What we have over here. What do we have over here? Do we have any levels that we want to mark as well? Kinda, yeah. This will be a level. So here we are. Consolidation before our next move. Okay. I'm trying to break it. Break it. This is in 15-minute time frame. If the 4 hours is valid in a sense of coming down, breaking off of character, BOS, reversing, good entry there. So if we will enter here, we will enter for long, we will enter here, small stop loss underneath our lower high, and go for, wow, 1 to 11. Okay, that will be our TP 3, 2, something like that. Let's see what the week's gonna bring, but I think this will be a perfect entry. Short stop loss, and let's aim for the moon. Keep it nice and simple. Let's see what the money's gonna bring. Let's go, lads. Happy Sunday.